Chapter 10: Cloth Making and Maintenance. Introduction. You all wear clothes to protect yourself from heat, cold, rain, dust and insects. Different kinds of fibers are used for making clothes. In this chapter you will study about the different kinds of fibers that are used for making cloth, different types of clothes that are worn in different states and making of cloth. People wear different types of clothes in different parts of country and in different seasons. The dress of one area is also different from another area. You can recognize the area of which a person belongs from his or her dresses. Some dresses of men that are common in India are kurta pajama, dhoti shirt, trousers shirt, lungi shirt, etc. Need of clothes. From morning to night, you need to wear different types of clothes. You wear different types of clothes while going to school, at home, going to a party and going to bed at night. You need clothes for many reasons, but the most important one is protection. Importance of clothes. Clothes make your look smart and handsome. Clothes protect you from cold. Clothes protect you from insect bite. Clothes protect you from dust. Clothes protect you from the heat of the sun. Clothes protect you from the rain. Fibers. Fibers are raw materials obtained from plants and used for making cloth. Clothes are made up of fibers. They are raw materials used for making cloth. Types of fibers. 1. Natural fibers. These fibers are obtained from plants and animals. You get cotton from cotton plant and jute from jute plant. Rubber is obtained from the rubber tree. Wool is obtained from sheep. Silk is obtained from silkworm. Cotton clothes are comfortable to wear in summers. Cotton clothes let air pass in and out so that your skin can breathe and sweat dries easily. 2. Synthetic or man-made fibers. These are not found in nature. It is a man-made fiber that is made in factories from non-living things like erode, oil, chemicals, etc. These are stretchable, wrinkle-free and dry very easily. Synthetic fibers are non-porous, i.e., water and other fluids may not pass easily through them. They are stronger than natural fibers. They catch fire easily, so it is not safe to wear them and work in the kitchen. Synthetic clothes are not good for health as there are no tiny spaces between the threads to let the air pass. Example: nylon, acrylic polyester, plastic, etc. Different types of clothes. In hot weather, you wear clothes made of cotton. Cotton clothes allow the body heat to escape. White or light-colored clothes suit the hot weather because they reflect the heat and keep the body cool. Cotton clothes absorb sweat also. In cold weather, woolen clothes are worn. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. People living in different regions wear different types of clothes, depending on the climate and tradition of the region. The dress of a person living in Srinagar will be different from that of a person living in Chennai or Jaipur. People living in different countries wear different types of clothes. The kind of clothes they wear depend on the type of weather in the region where they live. Some of these clothes have become national dresses. The national dress of an Indian woman is sari and that of a Japanese woman is kimono. People wear special clothes for specific work. Doctors and nurses wear white coats. A soldier wears a uniform made from tough material so that it does not tear easily. You wear a uniform to school so that you can be recognized as a student of your school. Processes of making cloth. The processes of cloth making involves these steps. Collection of fibers. Making threads or yarns. Turning threads into cloth. Dyeing and bleaching. Printing, finishing and stitching. Making threads or yarns. The process of making threads or yarns from the fiber, raw material, is called spinning. In olden days, people used to spin on a spinning wheel called the charkha. Persons engaged in spinning are called spinners. Weaving. Weaving is the process of making cloth from yarns. The threads or yarns are then woven to make cloth. Large machines called looms are used for weaving. People who weave the yarn into cloth are called weavers. Dyeing and printing. Dyeing is the process of adding colors to the cloth. Printers print the plain cloth with beautiful designs and patterns. Blocks are used to print designs on the cloth so that it look attractive. Designers design the print for the cloth. Stitching. The finished cloth is bought by the people. A tailor stitches the cloth according to the size of person. To make the clothes last larger, you need to take a good care of them. 1. Wash and iron them regularly. 2. Silk clothes should be dry cleaned. 3. If the clothes get torn, then they should immediately be repaired by stitching. 4. Before storing clothes, they should be kept out in the sun to get rid of germs. 5. Naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves should be kept between the folds of the clothes not in use for a period to protect them from insects etc.